out in the driver's seat.
Oh, okay.
I cannot lean back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It only goes up a certain distance back here.
Yeah.
And then the rest is to fold it. Oh.
Okay.
So it leans back a little bit if you wanted to, yeah.
Okay. So
Kind of like on an airline.
But it feels comfortable. You're good to sit there for like a 8-hour ride. You're okay.
I mean, I'm not going to complain too much about it. The front seat is more comfortable though.
Yeah, of course.
Because you can lean back.
Right.
And it feels more cushioned up front, I feel like, on my Model 3. But I mean, sorry, on the Model... yeah, on my Model 3, it feels more cushioned in the front. But, I haven't spent that much time in the back.
Right.
What's the PSI that they have on the car?
I don't know.
You could just ask Rock. Maybe it'll do it. There's a microphone button on the top.
Yep.
I mean, on the right-hand side. You just hold that down. That's the car one, not Grok.
The Interstate 280 ramp on the right towards San Francisco.
To use Grok, you gotta hold down the.
I see. What's the PSI in the wheels in this car?
Front left tire is at 42 psi, front right at 41 psi, rear left at 43 psi, rear right at 41 psi. Check the tire and loading info label on the driver's door pillar for the recommended cold pressures, usually around 42 psi.
So it knows that.
That's
yeah,
good.
all good there. Glad to hear it. Need anything else?
How efficient is this battery? How much more life do I have?
You've got 72% battery left, with about 235 miles of range. Efficiency varies with driving style and weather. Check the Energy app on the screen for your real-time stats.
If you tap the battery icon, it tells you how much range you have based on your trip.
Yeah, exactly. The battery icon shows range based on your recent driving efficiency. Open the Energy app for more details on consumption.
Maybe you gotta tap the percentage instead, not the battery.
It's at 72% right now.
I don't know why it's not working for you, but it
235
works for
miles
me.
estimated
There it is.
range
There it
left.
is.
Let me know if you want tips to stretch it further.
Okay. Close.
You just tap the microphone thing on your steering wheel.
Got it. It's driving 67, 68.
Yeah, and standard.
Yeah.
You can try the other different modes if you want.
In 1 mile, take exit 12B on the right toward Gilroy.
Chill, slow.
And then you scroll to the right and you have the other ones.
Hurry.
Yeah.
Mad Max. Mad Max.
I have to say, sitting in the back, I feel like I hear more.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Sure.
I think the wind, this up here, is definitely reflecting off the windows. I think that's why. Because when I'm talking, I even hear it coming off back onto me too. So that's something. But then if you cover it anyway, then it probably won't matter. And you probably would in the summer, especially in Vegas.
Yeah.
Now take exit 12B on the right.
So this is the difficult part. This merge always gets everybody who drives through here.
Yeah. I've done it a couple times. Around here
It's just
on
bad
the path. Yeah.
during rush hour.
Yeah, right.
Well, it's been really smooth through here.
Yeah. Oh, it's the same. So far, I can't feel any difference between this FSD and mine. I think it's got to be the same or similar software version.
Yeah.
I don't have the latest one, and I'm really hoping to push it out to our
In
car soon.
1,000 feet, take exit 18 on the right onto
Okay,
Stevens
let's see
Creek
how it
Boulevard.
does this. see the car behind us?
Yes, of course.
It doesn't show on here.
You gotta zoom
Now
out.
take exit 18 on the right.
Scroll, I guess, maybe.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Stevens Creek Boulevard. Now turn
It's
right
almost
onto
at Linda's
Stevens Creek
already.
Boulevard.
Yeah.
Oh, do you notice anything else different about this car versus the Rivian and the my
The
Model
Rivian's
3?
smoother.
Rivian's
I
smoother
gotta
for
say, yeah, it is definitely.
But maybe it's because
This
you're
is
paying
more
attention.
jarring.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah, this is more jarring than the Rivian. Rivian was.
I had a different feeling about it. I felt like the Rivian was more jarring. So maybe I need to actually bring a.
Rivian was like this, but
Yeah.
this is more like
Okay.
like that. You can feel the Rivian going like this. It's like the suspension is a little softer, but this one is a thump. Is like a more of a hard thing. Okay, so in the middle of the driving, let's say I want to move somewhere else.
What do
I
you
just
mean,
say
move
add a
somewhere?
stop? I
Yeah,
wanna go
yeah.
somewhere
I
else.
usually just I usually don't touch the screen. I just
Oh, there we go. Add
yeah.
a stop.
I usually ask
Any trip.
the AI to do it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just say, hey, can you drop off here first, and then
Okay.
it'll reroute it and add it to the
Now turn
list.
left onto Peninsula Avenue.
This way I don't have to fuss with any of this.
Can we reroute to Sunnyvale Tesla?
Rerouted to Tesla Sunnyvale at 750 East El Camino Real. It's 5.3 miles away, about 15 minutes.
Proceed.
Got it. Proceeding to Tesla Sunnyvale. ETA 1:43 p.m.
Okay, good.
Great. Let me know if you need anything else on the way.
So there's the flashing, but it didn't stop.
You don't have to stop. There's no one there.
I know.
Yeah.
So
In 500 feet,
it didn't
turn
just
left
look
onto
at the
McClellan
flashing,
Road.
it actually checked to see if there's somebody walking.
Well, I didn't see anybody walking.
Well, there
If it
was
did-
that. What she just, crossed over.
Now turn
Yeah,
left onto
if
McClellan
it did,
Road.
it does stop because
Yeah.
I've had that,
Yeah.
so I can vouch that it does
It
actually
does stop.
stop.
No, honestly, I can get away with the Model 3 just the way you have it for day-to-day driving because the front seat feels just as good.
Yeah, but you like to bring more stuff with you,
Yeah,
and
but
this has a lot more space for that.
it is true.
Yeah.
But do I need to bring that much stuff? I mean,
No.
everything goes into your trunk.
That's
How do
It's
you
up to
think
you to
about your
decide.
trunk space?
it's
How
good.
do you feel about it?
It's great. It just doesn't have the height. So if you have anything that doesn't fit a certain size, you can't put it in the car.
Yeah, of
Yeah,
course.
that's it. That's it. With the hatch, you can.
Yeah, you
Yeah, you could just load it up and then you're good to go. So it's a matter of what kind of bigger things that you might be moving around.
right.
That's all. But I don't have that problem because I have the Palisade.
Yeah,
I just switched to the Palisade.
yeah. Well, that would be the thing. I have access to other cars,
Yeah. Well, in that case.
and they are, the lease deal is a better deal. But then the problem is I can't do the hitch. My biggest issue is the hitch.
It's $1,300 for the Model 3. I can
Yeah.
add it and they'll just
In
install it.
500 feet, turn left onto
The
South
hitch?
Stelling Road.
Yeah. I just looked the other day just because you guys were talking about it. I'm like, all right, well, how much is Tesla? It says $1,300 installed.
That's
Now turn left
expensive.
onto South
Well,
Stelling Road.
Of course.
When I added the hitch, it was
anything
only
anything you do with the dealer is going to be expensive.
The Porsche's hitch was only like, I don't know, 400, 500?
Right.
It wasn't that expensive.
Yeah, I hear you. I mean, I did mine myself. It was way cheaper to do it yourself, DIY. And I don't think you get it as part of the lease.
Ooh,
It's something
did you
you
see
pay
that?
differently.
It's
No, I missed it.
Yeah, it didn't go on the inner. It went over to this one.
Yeah. Because it's going to make a right turn later. It'll make these decisions based on that.
It made a decision. All right.
If it sees other cars in front, it will also choose to do the empty lane rather than take one that's already taken out, unless it thinks it's going to have a problem getting into it.
Okay,
Doesn't always get it right.
I set it up for hurry. Still 11 minutes. So use 2% power to get here. Oh, it's going to try to avoid this.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it does it. I find that it does it
Switched.
more than I usually do. I
Yeah.
usually like to chill, but it
Yeah.
just it's more aggressive,
Yeah.
particularly in the different higher modes.
Yeah.
You're already wanting to take a nap already.
Yeah. There's no stress. I'm not focused on anything.
No.
I mean, I am focused. I'm trying to figure out how this feels and all
But
that.
here's the thing: is that you're not driving it, whereas Rivian, you were driving it, so you might
Yeah.
have different ideas about it as
That's
opposed
true. That's true.
to. Maybe you might not feel stuff as much because you're actively doing it, as opposed to you're just not paying attention and focusing on the senses of the car.
Yeah.
What you feel of the car too.
Yeah. That's valid.
Take it positive.